Today we go on a morning drive. Let's get it. Things are rattling, you know. Everything is a-okay in the classic Aspen, otherwise known as Rose. Guys, check this out. YouTube, welcome to another wait, hold on, can't speak. YouTube, what is going on? This is your boy ChrisRod here, and today we're just gonna be doing a little POV action here in the 1980 Dodge Aspen. And guys, this car runs. This car runs. I mean, it's not fast whatsoever. It's got a 225 motor. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that in the review video when I first put it out. I'll be sure to put a link somewhere around here in the corner or something like that, or maybe even in the description as to the actual review of the car. So today's just a little POV. I just kind of want to show simple things that I want to change and whatnot with the car as far as it goes, as long as I have it. It's supposed to be a mirror. There's no mirror there. It's an original thing. Honestly, having an extra mirror can really help in whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna have to put a mirror. I already have that, and I'm pretty sure that I told you guys a while ago that I had that particular mirror. I just gotta install it. I want to show you guys a little something here though, but only when we're driving, you know what I'm saying? We're actually on a little bit of a drive. The actual needle on this speedometer just goes wild, and I have the cable, and you might be able to see it now. Hold on, let me look into the road, dude. So I don't know if you guys see that right there, but that thing is going crazy as I come to the stop. Look at that thing, look at it, dude. Speedometer cable's ass. Like, I gotta change that like massively quickly, as you know, much as I can. Right now what we're doing, I'm simply going to work. I just want to give you guys a little POV action of me driving this particular car. Just obviously I just told you what I'm doing with it once I get everything situated. We have a quarter tank of gas. Hopefully I'll make it, because this thing is a gas guzzler, carbureted engine, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to show you guys what it's like to drive a classic car like this one per se. It's only 80, so I mean there's obviously older cars out there, but I enjoy this thing a little bit, man. Even though it's not fast and it's like more like a daily commute kind of a deal, if I wanted to really use it as a daily driver, pretty much could. Yo, it's nice. It's nice. It's very different. I will admit, it's very, very different. Guys, oh, I got like 5% tint all the way around, you know? It's tint. No, I have 5%, dude. It's amazing, honestly. Can't see anything at night, which is fantastic. Can I pass this guy? Let's screw it. The thing about the mirrors, I can't see, so I gotta look back, you know? But we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Power. So, I'm literally recording this video on a Friday. I'm probably gonna upload this tomorrow, Saturday. Son, bro, chill out, dog. So this car is a measly 3-speed automatic transmission, and I don't know if this automatic transmission is the same one that would go on the V8 models, which would typically have either a 318 or a 360. Now there is a RT model. I don't know if it's still a 3-speed but like a beefier tranny, or if it's just the same thing and it also has a 440 in it. I could be completely wrong on that, but I know there's an RT model for this car. Definitely is. I've seen it like around a lot, you know what I'm saying? You know, I don't know if you guys are hearing it too, but this thing has like a very high tick. I might have said this in the review video. This car has solid lifters. So typically on your regular not regular V8 engines, but typically what happens is a lot of the older style cars, now please, if I'm wrong, someone please correct me. I don't like to be wrong, but to my knowledge, you have hydraulic lifters and then there's solid lifters, and the hydraulic lifters are the ones that basically are adjustable on their own, because it uses the pressure of fluid to then get its own measurement, you know what I mean? I think that's what it is. But basically what I'm trying to say is, on the solid lifters I had to actually adjust the lifter valve spacing thing, you know, and I just haven't done it yet. Still trying to get a valve cover for this thing, man. If you guys happen to know anyone that has a 80 Aspen or a Mopar from the 70s to the 80s that's a 225 engine and they have a valve cover, let me know. I'm trying to look for an OEM valve cover with the actual cap, because the chrome one that I have doesn't have a legitimate cap on it. All I have is just a PCV valve, and as well as a PCV breather. It doesn't have a cap. It's one of the aftermarket valve covers, so it's kind of whack, but who am I to say? Yeah, I'm not letting you in. That's very nice of me, right? Yo guys, the power steering on this car, look, finger. This power steering is honestly too good. It's really too good. And look at this. Come on, bro. Come on. I shouldn't be able to do that. I'm pretty sure if I was to put like that 318 or the 360 into this car, the power steering will tighten up a bit because of the weight of the motor. But as it sits right now, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Also, I also want to change on this car is the horn. Horn's like terrible. I don't even want to beep it right now because it's so embarrassing. I'll probably do it later on or something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. I don't know, but it's a terrible horn. I kind of want to put the 2014 Ram or like a 2010 Ram horn on this, just because it's going to be louder. Like, I don't know. It kind of bugs me that the horn is so weak. It could be just a simple fact that it's not as powerful because like the car was sitting for like over 30 years. But who am I to say anything? Yo, you know what's crazy? The Honda sounded so bad. These cars have like a kick down, so I'm going just a little bit. Let me see if it like opens up. Hold on, kind of want to hear it too. Let's see if we can hear this kick down. See that? It has like a kick down basically, so that when the throttle just opens wide. Yo, I don't know, man. A 318 in this car would be very fun. Yo, I'm going 50? Wow. Guys, if I'm gonna be honest with you, this is pretty much the video. I just wanted to show you guys a small little thing of what exactly it's like to drive, or a little POV action of just showing the car itself, man. I mean, it's very easy. Like, I don't know, it's something about driving an old car that's cool. And this is it, man. This is pretty much the video. You guys know now that we're gonna have the odometer coming soon with this, or excuse me, the speedometer cable is gonna be on this car pretty soon because I already have it in the house. We got the mirror that's gonna be coming along the way. I'm gonna have a small plan too, maybe for a radio. I'm thinking of doing a little radio and like 2 speakers. I don't know. It really depends on what I decide on what I would like to do, man. But if you guys enjoyed this video in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, be sure to join the click by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell. And until this, my boy Chris Rod, and see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace.